welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. Happy Monday. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I am super excited. We have a couple of different things happening with our channel. As you can see, we have a new backdrop. I did finally break down and join the backdrop crew, I guess you would say, and I am loving this. I think it is super southern and just beautiful. Let me know what you think down below. I know I do miss my pictures, but they may still make an appearance here and there, but I'm loving this backdrop, and I have some others for different holidays that I have my eye on, so we may be changing things up there. We do have a couple giveaways coming up, at least 3 that I know of, so definitely stay tuned for those. And if you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. But as you can see from the description below, today is also exciting because we have a brand new subscription to our channel, and that is Beauteque Monthly. I am so excited to open this and see exactly what this is about. For those of you that do not know, this is a Korean skincare subscription. It is $24 a month and $3.95 shipping. Now you obviously can get it a little bit cheaper if you go ahead and prepay for 3, 6, or 12 months. And they do also offer a mask Maven subscription where you receive just sheet mask every month, and that I believe starts at $15, also with $3.95 shipping. I will put a link down below as well as all of that information so you can check them out if you would like to. But let's get in here and see what we got for May 2019. Yes, that is right, May 2019. This is one of those subscriptions that does kind of ship out later in the month, so you typically either get it like at the very end of the month or at the beginning of the next month. So yes, this is June, and yes, this is the May 2019 box. But let's get it open. All right. Ooh. Okay. So this is what we see when we open it. Look, you guys. How cute. It says Magic, Fairy Tales, and Fantasy Beauty Box by Beauteque Monthly. And then it has the cutest little sticker. It's like a cat with a unicorn horn, I guess, and tail. And it says Meowgical. So let's see what the little pamphlet here says. Hello, beautiful. This month is a throwback to our childhood as we feature all things magical, fairy tales, and fantasy. Get ready for some unicorn, mermaid, and magic themed products that are both fun and effective for your skin. Awesome. Oh, okay, cool. So, okay, I'm excited about this because it does tell us about all of our products as well as pricing. So that I really do like. And let's see. Oh, and speaking of the Mask Maven, there's actually a coupon code here that if you wanted to try Mask Maven, like I said, it starts at $15 a month and $3.95 shipping, but you can use the code TRYMASKMAVEN and get 15% off your first month. Awesome. All right, so let's just dive in here and see what we got for May 2019. All right, so this is what I'm seeing when I open it, so it doesn't really show us too much, so we will just go product by product. I'm going to get this big shiny gold thing that's like staring me in the face. And this says Prime Luxury Gold. It's a lifting cream. Let me take it out of, this is the packaging. Ooh. Ooh, y'all, this is so cute. That is like adorable. It's gorgeous. And it looks like it actually has like specks of gold in there. Let's see what this says. All right, so this actually was a variation. So you could have received the New Golden Label Deluxe Cream or the Yedem Yun Bit Prime Luxury Gold Lifting Cream. And let's see. So it says, we are glowing because of the gold extract found within these luxury creams. Gold has a number of benefits, improving blood flow, preventing premature aging, and increasing skin's elasticity. And it says, apply a pea-sized amount to targeted areas on your face. You can use it on your face as well as your neck and body. So that's awesome. And this has a $25 value. So that's awesome. I think the packaging is super cute again. And then, like I said, it has actual little gold flecks in there. Awesome. So that product alone right there is the cost of the box. So then what is this big guy? Peeling Care Deep and Moist. Deep and Moist Lavender Body Peeling Mist. That's interesting. Gently exfoliate to reveal softer skin with this body peeling mist. This floral mist contains lavender, rosemary, and aloe vera extracts, which minimize irritation and soothe your skin while maximizing dead cell removal. And it says, spray on skin about 2 inches away from targeted area. Gently massage the area for 1 to 2 minutes and rinse with warm water afterwards. And it says a tip or star. We love using this on our knees, elbows, and feet. That is interesting. Clean without peeling gel, moisturizing, cleansing. A rich peeling gel foam cleanser cleanses makeup residue, excess keratin, and sebum with a gentle bubble massage without irritation, and protects skin moisture. That's interesting. And this is an $18 value, if I did not already say. Okay. All right. And then let's see. Oh, what is this? This is from Yuki. This is a professional highlighter beam. It says the colors may vary. These highlighters contain micro pearl particles, which gives you a beautiful shimmer and delicate look. The all-in-one highlighter beam can be used on your T-zone, eye area, or bridge of your nose. Apply a little over your targeted area and blend with your fingertip or brush. And it says this actually can be used as an eyeshadow. And does it tell me the color I got? It probably does, but I can't read it. This is $6. This looks like a really pretty pink color. What's the applicator? Okay, so it's like a doe foot applicator. But that is really, really pretty. I'm not going to swatch this just yet because I may end up putting this into a giveaway just because I have so many highlighters. And I really don't reach for liquid highlighters that often, but we'll see. All right, and then we have, oh, what is this? Sorry, y'all, my hair is like bothering me today. This is from Urban Doll Kiss Magic Rose Modeling Gel Mask. Wash your face and apply toner to skin. Mix the gel, step 1, with the powder, step 2, in the tray. Gently apply the mixed modeling mask using the spatula provided evenly on your face. Remove the modeling pack after 20 to 30 minutes. Rose and licorice extract help lighten your skin, which helps to prevent dark spots. Huh. So it's like it says gel. So it's like a peeling mask. Urban Doll Kiss Magic Rose Modeling Gel Mask. Let's see what it looks like in here. Oh, okay, so it's in like a little fancy tray with all of the ingredients and the steps. That's cool. I wonder if it really is like pink and sparkly like that. That would be fun. All right. And then, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I am loving this. This is an eye mask. And it says, why it's magical. There's nothing better than looking cute while getting a good night's sleep. This unicorn eye mask is super soft and very comfortable to wear. Simply slip the mask over your eyes and let your body get the rest it deserves. And then it says, snap a cute selfie with the eye mask and tag us on Instagram at Beauteque Monthly. You guys, how flippin' adorable. Let's open this because I will totally use this. No shame in my game. No, ma'am. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Look at that. That is so cute. And it's obviously got like this stretchy band. Oh my goodness. Yes, I will be like this. Do not disturb. That is so cute. And that was $6. I think I said that, but I'm not sure. And it looks like we have one more item in here. And this is from Maven. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly. Bye Bye Pimple Patch. This is a $4.50 value. Why it's magical. Have your acne disappear overnight with Maven's Pimple Patch. Each patch has 2 layers, a protective layer that blocks dirt from infecting your acne and a hydrocolloid layer that helps seal the wound after absorbing all the gunk from the pimple. Place the patch directly on the pimple like a sticker. Make sure the pimple is clean and dry and leave on for 8 to 10 hours overnight and peel off in the morning. Each pack contains 24 patches. Okay, so I'm sitting here thinking we're getting like 1 or 2, but there's 24 of them in here. That's awesome. So just to recap, we got the 24 Bye Bye Pimple Patches. We got this adorable and honestly probably a close tie for my favorite item with this gorgeous gold what was this, lifting cream. So these two are probably neck and neck for my favorite out of the box. And then we got this body peeling gel, which is really neat, and it's a spray, which I have not seen. And then we got the Urban Doll Kiss Magic Rose Modeling Gel Mask, and then this beautiful little highlighter beam liquid highlighter that again is a very, very pretty color. So I am very happy with my first month of Beauteque Monthly. Sorry, my hair is like annoying me. So do you guys get Beauteque Monthly? Let me know down below what you thought of this box. Again, this was the May 2019 Beauteque Monthly. Is this something you would like to see more on my channel? I'm trying some different subscriptions and different things. So let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you all have a fantastic day. And again, do not forget, give the video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. And again, if you're new, consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. I hope you all have a marvelous Monday, and I will talk to you guys with the next one. Bye.